Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to a TCL smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earphones into pairing mode. Now if you see the side that has the plus button and the minus button right here, we'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue red there. Okay, so let's put this in pairing mode. Let me first turn these off. I'm going to press and hold that plus button. Ready to go. Keep holding for a few seconds until I see the red light appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go. Now it's off. Now next I'm going to press and hold that plus button again, but I'm going to keep holding until I see it blinking blue red there. Okay, plus button here. Ready, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding. Wait. Still holding. There we go. Blue red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and leave it just like that. Let's shoot over to our TV. Navigate to your settings. So you can click on the settings button in your remote if you have one. If not, from the home page you can just navigate wherever your settings is. Mine's on the top right hand side, the gear icon right there, settings. Let's select that. And then from here we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Let's select that. From here we're going to select add accessory. And then we're going to OK that. It's already in pairing mode. And now that line going across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue red, and it already popped up there. It's already highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and select it on my remote. It's pairing. We should get a pairing request here. What's going on? Oh, there we go. It took a little while. So go ahead and pair it. Oh, we just connected. Lights just went off. Oh, there we go. And it says paired right there. And there you go. And you can also see it says down there, it says OpenRun by SHOKZ. It says connected right there. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put this in pairing mode or problems pairing these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.